Good afternoon, teacher. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite electronic device. My favorite electronic device is a smartphone. A smartphone helps people call, send messenger, and use the internet. It has some basic components. The screen shows picture and words. We touch the screen to use the phone. The battery gives power to phone so it can work. The camera helps us take photos and record video. The speaker makes sound when we listen to music or calls. The microphone helps us talk to other people. I like this device because it is very useful. I can learning English, talk with my friend, and watch videos on my smartphone every day. That's all. Thank you for listening.